How to copy an entire text conversation on iPhone. Whether you want to save important messages, share a conversation, or keep a backup, here's how to do it. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and select the conversation you want to copy. For a shorter conversation, press and hold any message, then tap More. Now, select the messages you want to copy by tapping the circles next to them. Once you've selected the messages, tap the Share icon. On the next screen, tap inside the text field and choose Select All. Then tap Copy. Now open the Notes app on your iPhone or any other text editor. Create a new note, tap inside the blank area, and select Paste. Your copied conversation will now appear in the note, and you can save it for later. If you have a very long conversation, taking screenshots can be easier. Open the conversation, take screenshots as you scroll through the messages, and save them in your Photos or Notes app. You can also share the screenshots or turn them into a PDF for easier storage. And that's it. Now you know how to copy and save an entire text conversation on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.